Welcome to my channel, JustLive. Today we're going to taste test and review the Andok's Litson Baka. Hashtag Baka naman. Baka naman ba or Beke naman?
Baka naman.
Hashtag Baka naman. Baka naman pwede nyo na ako i-subscribe, no? Dahil matagal na tayo dito, hindi pa natin nagsasubscribe sa akin. Baka naman pwede na. Sobrang hirap bumili nito dahil ang haba ng pila. Kasi pala, meron silang free griller. Free griller nila pag makabili ka ng 5 lechon baka. Yung free griller sila. Sabi ni Trish, yung griller na yun parang pang samgyup. So, yun. So, let's go to the box of the hour. Asa nga ba yung box? Iwan ko. May kasama siyang suka. Pero ayokong yung suka. So, medyo mainit pa eh. Kasi, bagong luto. Yummy. Wow. This is the box of the hour. Kung saan siguro social media makikita nyo itong very familiar na buy down na box na to. Bakit? Kasi para siyang overnight success ng Andok's Litson Baka. Usually, di ba, ang Andok's chicken, barbecue, yan. Ngayon, meron silang bago, Litson Baka. For meat lovers like me, mahilig ako sa beef eh. So, syempre si Trish talagang nangati siya agad na tikman to. Kaya, wala. Truth be told, kahapon ba yun? Bumili tayo ng isa.
No, last.
Ha? Last week? Truth be told, last Saturday, bumili kami ni Trish ng isa niyan. Isa lang, kasi gusto lang namin tikman. Muntik ako maubusan ni Mami. Nag-workout kasi ako. So, Saturday yon, nag-workout kasi ako. Pagbaba ko dito, kumain na silang lahat. Sabi, nag-text na si Mami, naubos ko na yung lechon baka. So, syempre, ninervyos na ako sa gym. Pagbaba ko, marami pa naman pala. So, ergo, fast forward to today, nagpabili kami ng 3 box. Apparently, tipid na tipid sila kumain ng isang box. So, kulang sa amin ng isang box. 4 kami. Bumili kami ngayon ng 3 box. So, like I mentioned kanina, pag nakabili kayo ng 5 boxes, meron na kayong pwedeng libre na griller. Pang samgyup daw yun. Keep your receipt. Just keep your receipts. Proof of payment of 5 boxes and you get a free griller. Until supplies last. Okay, so now, tikman na natin dahil gutom na ako. I mentioned kanina, meron siyang kasamang 2 couplets ng suka ba yun? Suka. But I don't like it with suka. Because kasama ko si Trish, I'm very fortunate to have her in my life. Meron kaming gravy.
Wow, ang sarap.
Para sa lechon baka. So parang in English, roast beef. Social. So anyway, social pero naka-paper plate. Okay. So, let's taste the Andok's Litson Baka. Alam mo, very ano siya, very thinly sliced. Very thin. And malambot. Masarap ah. Malasa siya.
Wow!
Masarap na siya as is. Pero, wait, there's more. Yung kanin ko, 1 cup.
Pwede na.
Sabi ni Trish, 1 cup ka ba? Hopefully. May pasobra ba ito? Measure mo pa. May pasobra din naman pala.
Ito lang. You know some? They air fry it.
Ito?
Yes.
And then?
When I say it's okay. I mean just to heat it.
Oh, so you can air fry it or you can put it in the oven toaster, I think any which way is okay. Kasi hindi naman siya crunchy to begin with. So, pwede na siya sa mga walang air fryer, okay naman na siya sa oven toaster. I don't think there's any difference. Kasi hindi naman siya crunchy. Ang air fryer is very good for crunchy things like mga lechon kawali, yan.
So, tignan din.
Sarap naman, oh. Yan, yan ang gravy ni Trish. Okay, so now, let's taste. With the yummy. Meron lang siyang mga litid-litid na hindi ko na-appreciate, pero cares na. Ang sarap. May mga litid lang siya na hindi ko masyado ma-appreciate. But, sobrang sarap. If you put gravy, para siyang roast beef. Paano gumawa ng gravy?
Simple gravy. Butter, flour, bouillon cube, water, pepper.
There you have it. How to make gravy.
Super easy.
Simple. Bouillon cube, butter, flour,
Pepper,
pepper,
salt to taste.
salt to taste. And voila! You have your simple gravy. And water. Kung gusto niyang medyo social na lechon baka, lagyan yung gravy para mukha roast beef. Pero, by itself, masarap na siya. Masarap na siya talaga. Hindi ko lang na-appreciate itong mga litid-litid na to. Kailangan tanggalin. Masarap na siya as is, pero maarte ka kagaya ko. Or kung mahilig ka talaga sa roast beef, kagaya ko, it goes very well with gravy. You're missing a lot if you don't put gravy. May sabihin pa ba ako? Ha? Wala na. Try ko ubusin ito. Lahat na ito. So, that's our vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until my next vlog, live, laugh, lamon, and just live. Bye, guys. Hi, welcome to my channel, Just Live. Today, I'm going to show you some really, really good mangoes from Guimaras. So, as you can see, we already wrapped it in newspaper. Actually, si Mami ang nag-wrap nito. So excited siya nung dumating. Ganito yung itsura niya nung dumating eh. Pero ngayon, ganito na yung itsura niya. I don't know, why do you wrap it in newspaper?
It makes the ripening process better.
It makes it ripe faster daw. So, ito talagang inaay ko dito. Kasi, gaano siya kalaki. It's really big. Not as big as the one that my friend Ray sent us, but these are a different kind. What kind of mangoes are these?
Carabao.
Oh, these are the Carabao mangoes. These are the types that Alana likes. But she doesn't like it yellow. Although her favorite color is yellow, she likes it green. The more maasim it is, the better. For her, I don't like maasim. I like really sweet. So I'm eyeing this because it's really big. Pero parang hindi pa siya hinog. This one is also big. And it's thick, ha? It's not manipis. But I don't know which one to get. I don't really know how to choose which ones are hinog or not. But I usually smell it. Oh, this one is also big. Yeah, no. There's a smell near the where the stand used to be. There's a smell that smells like super like mangoey. I think this is okay. So we'll put this aside. Huwag na lang, it's heavy. Alright. Time to take. What are these? Are these class A? Apparently, there are a lot of types of mangoes from Guimaras. Some will sell you class A, class B. I don't know up to what class it is, but obviously class A is a lot better than everything else. From what Trish told me, and from what Sen is the owner of the mango business that we got these from, and he's super kind because he helps a lot of small businesses, and he even ordered from the Trishy Kitchen just to support small businesses as he advertises. And he's so sweet because he does that for every small business that he encounters probably. According to Sen, class A mangoes are the smoothest, right?
Yeah.
The smoothest. They don't usually have, you know, those dark spots and whatnot.
Flawless.
It's supposed to be flawless, like me. Hindi pa talaga enough na nag-cringe si Sonde, nag-wake up pa dyan. Thanks for the support, guys! But yeah, Class A, Guimaras mangoes are supposed to be flawless. Class B, obviously, hindi na siya flawless. And then I think it gets worse. Worse talaga. What is the last class?
I have no idea.
She doesn't know. But we got the Class A para flawless. Para bagay. Huwag na kayo mag-react. Okay. So, sige na. Let's taste. I don't know how to cut this. It's a little yellow pa. But let's see. If you can see, it's not as yellow as I hoped it would be. There's like medyo may light yellow areas and there's like dark yellow areas. I'm not sure what that means, but kasi sanay ako sa Cebu mangoes where like it's just one color. So let's see. See, it's more yellow there. Or baka kasi hindi pa siya ganun kahinog. I'm not sure. It's sweet. It's sweet na. Why are you laughing?
When you said it's sweet, it's like when Ross said it tastes like feet.
That tastes like feet.
It's sweet, yeah. It's really good, and you look, there's no yucky parts. Sometimes when you open mango, but there's like white pimply things. I hate those. This has none. It's so yum. One down. Look, it's not even veiny. See? So sweet. But you know what? I think if we waited for a couple more days, I don't think there would be like light yellow and dark yellow. I think it's gonna be one color. And I think it's gonna be a lot sweeter. I think I opened this too early. But nonetheless, it's really sweet. So good. I don't usually eat the buto, but for this one I know. Yummy. What? Dirty my cheek. So yummy. Okay. These are really good. Can eat one more, but I think lang we need to have it. We need to let it get riper. Para talagang excited masyado eh. But I'll do this again. Maybe 2 days.
Yeah.
In another 2 days, I'll continue this para we can compare. So, fast forward. Hi. So now, 2 days has passed, or maybe 3, I'm not sure. And the mangoes are super ripe now. If you smell it talagang, compared to the last time, the aroma of the mango is really strong. And it's a lot softer. So, without further ado, we will now try the ripe Guimaras Class A mangoes. There you go. Let's try this. Look. So sweet. First time I tried this, sweetness was maybe around 7. This is like 15. It's really, really, really sweet. Oh my god.
Wow, ang sarap.
Super sweet. I cannot stress enough how sweet it is. It's like mango shake turned into like a gelatinous thing. Diba? You know, mango shakes tend to be so sweet kasi they add sugar pa. This is it. without all the unhealthy stuff and the ice. I don't like the ice. Super, 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 super sweet. If I could eat the balat, I would. So sweet. If you see all the discolorations, like there's like lighter yellow and there's like darker yellow, it does not matter. They're all sweet. Wow. So yummy sweet. It's amazingly sweet. I don't mind having this every day. So yum! I need tissue.
Or wipes.
And because my cheeks are like my whole cheek. It's like filled with non-juice. So there you have it. Class A Guimaras mangoes are the best. So good. I cannot stress how sweet they are and how good they are and how yummy they are. Oh, get yourself some from this guy. Get it from them. It's the best. So that's it for my vlog today. I hope you enjoyed the two products that we featured today. And incidentally, it's Father's Day, so I'd like to greet everyone. Happy Father's Day. You guys are the best. Kasama ako dun. So until my next vlog, live, laugh, lamon, and just live. Bye guys.